listen, it's impossible to fail if you're actually putting in the work. Like, if you're going and cold calling, if you're going and doing walkthroughs, if you are going door to door, like, you're going to get a lead. Like, even if you have to do 100 a day, 200 a day, 500 a day, you're gonna get one. But if you're not doing that to get to have that amount of numbers, and you stop after doing 10 calls, come on. And then you cry at the end of the week because you don't have a new lead. Do the numbers. If you want more leads, ask yourself, how many cold calls or how many walkthroughs did you have to do to get your first leads, and double it, triple it, quadruple it. Do what you gotta do, but get those numbers in, do the work. If you're not getting the results that you want, or you're finding that you feel like you don't have the time to do things, it's honestly probably because you're just simply not owning your time. When is the last time that you actually sat down and mapped out your day, mapped out your time to ensure that you were able to get whatever it is that you needed to get done on your to-do list?